Hi all, today we'll discuss about full stack atmosphere. So what all are the technology we need to use in full stack? So mostly we divided in this five things here in this full stack. If you want to develop any full stack uh, applications in that, first sphere will be this front end sphere. Front end sphere like Angular, Node.js, either HTML, CSS, React.js, jQuery, JSON, Value, JS, Bootstrap, Ajax and all. So this is from front end, which is UIs. Like if you are using or a client is want to access that, so there will be some front end page will be there that will be developed from Angular and React will be the main thing here, and HTML, CSS, jQuery, JSONs, Ajax and all will be used in that. Second thing is DevOps API sphere. So in this DevOps API sphere, while we develop these applications from this backend, front-end applications and all, then we need to deploy it somewhere. So for that we need to create a Docker image. We have to place this code in this repository like Git repository, GitHub and all. And then we have to maintain this Kubernetes container. By using Dockers we create a container, so we have to manage this containers. We have a API like SOAP APIs and all, so that will be test all the APIs and also REST templates and all, Postmans and all. And Jenkins we have a CI/CD pipelines. For that cases we are using DevOps API SPL, which will be used to deploy dev uh, continuous integration and continuous deployment, creating a jar, creating a Docker image, maintain the containers and all. So this is the tools we use, this Docker's DevOps API. Now we have a backend sphere. So backend spheres will be either what type of technology you want as a backend, either Java, .NET, PHP, Node, Ruby, Python, Express, and Spring Boot, microservice patterns and all. So like that we have a Java, PHP, .NET and all will be the main, depends on this requirement. Then we have a database sphere. So database spheres will be what type of database we want to use, either MongoDB and PostgreSQL, Oracle, Cassandra, and MySQL, either NoSQL and SQL. So these all are the database which we need to communicate for these applications from the front end, back end database applications. Then we have a platform spheres, like where we have to deploy these all applications which we develop front end, back end, and by using DevOps APIs and database and all these things. So where I have to place this, either from cloud base or some of the server base. So from where we have to integrate the servers, or we have to create the servers, where we have to deploy all those things. So either we have a platform spheres will be there. So that's Android platform, Google platform, AWS platform, Azure platform, iOS platform, Linux and Windows. So these all are the spheres, atmospheres which we have to use in the full stack. So full stack mainly used for this front end, DevOps, backend, database, and the platform. Other platforms will be have cloud based, or some of the Windows operating based will be there. So either we have to develop from there somewhere in Linux, Unix and iOS, or we have to develop in this AWS cloud, Azure cloud, Google clouds. Thank you.